Hello everyone, my name is Ashlyn Price and I'm a student at Brigham Young University studying medical laboratory science with a minor in family history and genealogy. Today I want to talk about the Linking Families for Cancer Prevention project, which is a collaborative project between the BYU Center for Family History and Genealogy and the University of Washington. The purpose of this public health initiative is to identify individuals who have a higher risk of hereditary forms of cancer and provide them with resources for cancer prevention. In this presentation, I will explain how our research project assists individuals with genetic cancer mutations and how individuals with known genetic mutations can participate in the project. Hereditary cancer is one of the most preventable types of cancer, and researching family history is one of the keys to that prevention. Dr. Brian Schertz from the University of Washington is studying inheritable types of cancers such as breast and ovarian cancer, which can be caused by rare genetic mutations. These variants, such as BRCA1, MLH1, and PALB2, are known to cause cancer. Dr. Schertz has shown that people with the same variant often share a specific common ancestor. Therefore, by identifying the common ancestor, descendancy research can be conducted to identify relatives who are at a greater risk of developing cancer. Dr. Schertz formed a team of genetic counselors, genealogists, and student researchers to provide services for those with pathogenic variants. Since the project began back in September 2019, the BYU team has worked with 40 different participants who between them have 23 different pathogenic variants. The Connect My Variant project is a public health initiative to help families with genetic variants which cause increased cancer risk. One of the main goals of the project is to connect individuals with others who have their same pathogenic variant. The University of Washington team works with participants who are interested in this project to talk with their families, find genetic cousins, and connect with distant relatives. The project also helps participants post about their variant online and encourages others to get tested. Our job at the BYU Center for Family History and Genealogy is to help the participants find their relatives and their contact information. In order to find distant relatives, we work directly with participants to gather information about their known relatives. Then we conduct genetic and traditional genealogical research to identify the participants' second and third cousins who may have the variant. The information about the cousins is sent to the genetic counselors at the University of Washington who help the participant inform those relatives of their higher risk of cancer. This is done so preventative measures can be taken. Next, we research to find a common ancestor among participants with the same genetic variant by building out the participants' trees. After we have identified the most recent common ancestor, we conduct descendancy research to identify living descendants of that common ancestor. These living individuals have an increased risk of developing cancer. Once we have found all of the living descendants of the common ancestor, we locate contact information and send it to Dr. Schertz. His team at the University of Washington help the participants notify these relatives of their potential cancer risk. To participate in this project, people with a known inherited mutation can find out more and sign up at connectmyvariant.org. On the website, click Sign Up and fill out the survey to participate in the project. You can also click on Connect My Variant to learn more about the project or choose Find Connected Variants to access public forums and connect with others who have your same variant. BYU's Center for Family History and Genealogy has multiple research projects and databases. To learn more about what we do, visit our website or contact us through the BYU Center for Family History and Genealogy. Finally, on behalf of the BYU Center for Family History and Genealogy, we would like to thank the many generous donors who have made our research possible. Thank you for watching this presentation.